Good morning. We're on day 2 of ramp. We got up, got ready. I had some breakfast. I had some biscuits and gravy, but I think the biscuits and gravy is hurting my stomach. So I may have to take like a stomach pill. May have a gluten allergy. I have no idea. My makeup, I don't know if it's like looks dead. Probably because I'm using that powder thing, whatever. So my skin look lighter than what it is. I mean, yeah, a few shades lighter. Anyways, last night's sleep was alright. At first, sorry if my hair looks a little crazy, stringy. I went to bed with it wet. It does that sometimes. Last night was good. Had a lot of fun. Praising the Lord and just praying over people. It was a great experience. As always, of course. But now we're going to take on a whole day of stuff. So what does that mean? So that means we have a morning service, an afternoon service, and a night service. So we only have a few hours between each one. And each service lasts around 2 to 3 hours. So the morning service, I think, is 3 hours. The afternoon service is 2 hours, for what I can remember at least. And then the night service is 3 hours. Tomorrow, same thing, except the night service tomorrow is when the ball drops. Midnight, it's New Year's Eve tomorrow. So I have a minute to myself in here in the hotel room. So I thought, why not make a video? Because I haven't really got to speak to the camera just quite yet. It's been kind of crazy. I know I'm kind of shy vlogging, and I haven't really put anyone in the vlog yet because I'm just like, do you want to be a part of a vlog? I'm always so awkward vlogging, and I've been vlogging since 2018. So yeah, here we go. Here we are. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna go now because I need to go to the lobby here in a minute. I mean, I've got like 20 minutes till we leave, but I should be down there early and maybe socialize a little or something. But yeah. But thank you for watching this. I'll let you know if anything else happens, and I'll maybe film a few clips of the ramp service. So yeah. Also, honorable mention, guys, the London vlog is almost at 20,000. Almost 20,000 views. 3 away. 3 away from 20,000 views. Are you kidding me? What? That's crazy. Thank you so much for the support, guys. I really appreciate it and watching the videos. Also, thank you for the support on TikTok as well. I had my first ever viral video this week. What a way to end 2025. Sorry. What a way to end 2024. I mean, seriously, ending the year with praising the Lord, had my first viral video, and my London vlog almost hitting 20,000 views. I'm not going to say it is 20,000 views yet because it hasn't hit it yet. It is literally 3 people away, 3 views away, which is insane. But like, what? That's crazy. But yeah, thank you all, and I praise the Lord. I do. I know that sounds cliche to say I praise the Lord over like social media stuff, but He cares about all areas in our life, no matter what we think about it, what others think about it.
faith app on your phone, all you've done is you're limiting your faith to the limitations of the device. God gives you a whole new device. And you're a new creation, and your entire life is now meant to declare His goodness to the world around you. So when you're born again, Stacy's already talked about different things that happen. They need to be immersed in God's mission. I love this. This was part of the initial call that Jesus gave His disciples, Mark 3:14. And Jesus appointed 12, who He also named apostles, so that they might be with Him. And He might send them out to preach. Who you're with is important. God doesn't need you to have everything. He just needs you to give Him everything you have. Just stand up.
Nothing unusual, but this time I felt something welling up inside. Well, I was standing in the middle of church.
Thank you for giving. Thank you, partners, for helping this to happen.